calling my mom.
What are you gonna do?
There's a worker in there.
Oh no.
Ow.
I need a tall person.
Which one do you want?
Put it in this.
The one at the top?
Hold this.
Amber,
Ow.
are you gonna climb?
Come on, Amber, we can do this.
Why don't you just ask somebody for help? Hey, why don't you ride that down there where the home and garden thing is and ask that guy to help us? When you get it, how are you gonna get it down? I think we just need to get a tall person.
I'm gonna go fight. Here, come on. Come on.
No.
You know there's somebody at that home and garden thing over there?
I'll go ask him.
You put it right in here.
You can put it in her little getaway vehicle.
Thank you. I like your ears.
You ever hit on the Walmart dude?
Yeah.
See, I was supposed to get the next size. I was supposed to get the next size up, but if I did that, then I would have so much better.
Shane, can I say something? It won't stop recording.
Wait, let's go around the whole store.
It's not stopping.
I was just gonna go faster.
It's not stopping. What? Ow, my leg's itchy. Oh my god.